Aloha folks, this is Kimo from Kimo's Oh No Grinds. Today we're going to be making some chili dogs. Actually, I'm using a cast iron skillet that's a grill, but these are actually good on a regular grill. You can boil them, whichever. This is the first time I'm trying this, so I'm going to be cutting this packet up. These are kosher hot dogs, whatever hot dogs you like. I know locals like the red hot dogs, which I do too, but we don't have those here in the mainland. So I'm using a kosher one. So hopefully, you know, it comes out good. Sorry for the delay, because you know, we kind of slow, because I'm old. I did have the chili cook. I gotta turn the heat down a little bit, because my electric stove, I don't wish to have, but this is all I get. So as you notice, the smoke is crazy. Okay, so this is how we're doing it. So we're gonna do that. This basically what this is gonna do. These are really cooked already. It's just that I'm gonna have grill marks. That's all I'm gonna be doing, is having grill marks on my wieners. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. Turn it up a little bit. Get your tongs. Again, these are kosher hot dogs. They're good on the grill. You can boil them in the water. Red hot dogs are the best for chili dogs that we have. I miss those, but we can't have them. So basically, this is how we're going to be doing that.
How would you cook it local style?
Local style is I'd probably boil them, make some rice and some chili. You can put some cheese on it, and there we go. See how it gets a little bit of color on them? You know what? Come back in a few minutes and I have this done. And looking forward to seeing you again. Aloha. Aloha, folks, and we're back. It's about 10 minutes on this griddle pan, about medium temperature. So any kind of buns that you want from any store, you can do whole wheat, kosher, whatever. It doesn't matter. So basically what you would do is put the hot dog in the bun, obviously. The chili has been warming up on the stove. I just move it over just because. And then what you want to do is stir it up a little bit. Okay. And you just get a little bit. So this is my version of a chili dog. There's 50 million recipes out there for that, but this is mine. And I just add a little bit of fresh Spanish onion. And I also add a little bit of cheese. Orange cheese is good. Doesn't matter what kind of orange cheese, but I'm actually using an orange and a white cheese that I bought. And just put a little bit like that. And then there's Kimo's chili dogs. So anything, you know, if you can give me some recipes, I would love it. And we can always cook it for you. And we can, you know, I'm always looking for new things. This is Kimo from Kimo's Oh No Grinds. Aloha. Aloha, folks. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for notifications. Aloha.